Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 2, Huruf Murakkabat or compound letters. In part 1, we have learned that how we pronounce compound letters and what is compound letters. We will continue our lesson number 2 and we will learn more compound letters in this lesson. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's come to the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in lesson number 2 part 1 we have learned that compound letter consists two or more mufridat letters and we recite each mufrid letter in compound letter. Like our first compound letter is Sin Lam. This compound letter consists two mufridat letters. First is Sin and second is Lam. We recite separately each mufrid letter like Sin Lam. We will continue more compound letters how we recite Shin Lam Sod Lam Dod Lam Fa Lam Qaf Lam Ain Lam Ghain Lam Kaf Lam Kaf Nun Ta Nun Ra Nun Jim Dal Kha Dal Ha Dal Ain Dal Ghain Dal Kha Zal Kha Za Ha Ra Ba Ra Ya Ra Tha Ra 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 Ba Mim Nun Mim Ta Mim Ya Mim Ha Mim Shin Mim. This is the lesson number 2 part 2. In next part, inshallah azawajal, we will learn more compound letters, how we recite compound letters, how we pronounce. Inshallah azawajal, we will learn more compound letters and we will do practice in next part. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kindly visit my website madniislamicacademy.com.